everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we have another Slash the Stash 2020 finish. Don't forget down below to put in the comments just anything and everything what you're doing, and I'm doing a comment picker randomly at the end of the year for a finalist to win a Slash the Stash 2020 prize package. So I have had so many people ask where did I get this, and they absolutely love it. I purchased this from the Goang factory on Aliexpress. That's Goang. I will have a link down below, but please remember these companies switch things in and out all the time. So if the link doesn't work, don't kill me. But it is as at the play of this video when this is being filmed, it does work. So this is a, let's measure it. I believe it's a 30, let's see, it says 38. I want to say it's a 30 by 40. Yeah, and then 28. So it is a 30 by 40, but the drill size is not, it's the canvas size that they're measuring. And it was $8.74. It was on sale. And I can't bring up the shipping right now because it says temporarily unavailable, probably because of what's going on in our world. So, I first recommend this store. However, this was one of the pieces that if I had received this first, I would not recommend the store. The drills were horrible to work with, lots of trash. The symbols were really hard to see. There was some glue issues with this, and it turned out beautiful. I weathered the storm. I pushed through it. However, it's not up to par. So normally I would recommend this store, Goang factory store. However, for this particular piece, it did not do the store justice. So I have another piece of peacock that is from them. I got in the same purchase that I'm going to do and see if the quality of those drills are any better. It could just be a bad batch of drills they got from the manufacturers. I'm not sure. So I did want to go over a couple things first. So for the unboxing stats, I'm going to put the little eye up here, as well as put the link at the end of this video if you want to go check out that video for me unboxing these. For the post review, the canvas glue, I'm going to give it a 0.75. There were some times that it was slippery, and there were some things that I needed to, like little rivers, things like that, but nothing I couldn't push through. Symbol clarity, if we remove this washi tape, you can see here the symbols. And it was just difficult with the darker ones because you had like an E and a B and they both were dark blue. And so because of the print, sometimes you had to really pay attention to what letter it was. So I'm going to give it a 0.75. The drill quality, I'm going to give it a 0.5. So I better be writing these down because I'm just saying them. I didn't. Okay, so we got 0.75, 0.75, 0.5. Design success, I love it. I'm going to give it a full star. And did I enjoy it? For the most part, yes. I'm going to give it a full star. So that's 350. Okay, so it got 4 stars out of 5. Anything that's a 4-star rating or higher, I would recommend. It was worth pushing through it. It is beautiful. I'm going to hopefully frame it and put it up in my bedroom because these are the colors of my bedroom. But yeah, so this is another finish, Slash the Stash 2020. I can't wait to see what you guys have. Comment down below to make sure that you are getting in the drawing that I will be doing at the end of the year for all of us who are slashing our stashes. So until next time, take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.